Hi, my name is Jay Koski and I'm with AK Material Handling. I've been with the company for about 20 years now, and today we're going to be showing you how to properly install old style Speedrack beam. So here we have our frame sample, our beam sample, our U-clip, and a drop pin. And you're going to want to start by inserting the clip as seen here. Take your beam, align with the holes, hammer down. You're going to want to use a rubber mallet if you have that available. And your final step is to insert the drop pin in the front. And there you have it. Thank you for watching. For more videos, please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks and have a great day.